Welcome back. This is part 3 of our DIY vanity build. To get ready for install, we started by clearing out the bathroom. I had some in the field commentary, so take it away, me. Alright, so I need to undo this. You said by hand. And then you said put the bucket under. There's gonna be a lot of water. There it is. There's the water. Yeah, that's the stuff. Inside ended up being very corroded and, well, gross. Well, there's hair in there. Can I have your paper towel? I'm gonna get the hair out. Next part. This is fucking disgusting. We then attempted to take out the drain section, but we had no idea how it was attached. Wiggling it around, we found a few surprises. Oh, ugh! Oh, oh God, don't touch me! Oh, oh, dude, this is so gross under here. Oh, what's that noise?
I don't know.
Is anything coming out? Little did we know, no, nothing was coming out. We ended up giving up and just disconnecting the water lines. It was all going in the trash anyway. Then we cut every inch of the silicone, keeping the top held down. And it was demo time. Help me? It's almost there.
Oh my God. What are we doing?
We took a sink out.
Where are we putting this sink?
I don't know.
It is really gross.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh my God. As soon as we got it a quarter inch away from the wall, I saw what I had been dreading since the discussion of a new vanity. Oh no. Oh no.
Alright, back to Home Depot. Ew, what is that?
Yeah, that's what I was showing you. I think it's like, I don't know, it's the old tile. So
they just tiled over the old tile?
I don't even think it's tile. I think it's vinyl flooring, because that's what was in the living room. Oh man. Okay. After seeing the bad news, we took a trip to Home Depot, where an associate helped us with the problem with a quick and dirty solution. He suggested we rip up the existing vinyl, get some tiles to match, and lay them down with some thin set without the grout joints. Sweet. It's not the prettiest solution, but it won't be seen, so it'll work. Next up, we got rid of some of the door trim that would interfere with the vanity being set flush with the wall. This is just me testing the fit of the drawers around the pipes. Looks like all my measuring paid off. The fit is looking good, so we proceeded with the plumbing. Now this is the first time we've ever done plumbing. So if anything looks off, please leave a comment. Let us know if there's anything we can do differently. Oh, if they cut it down a tiny bit, I think. Okay. Shit.
What's going on?
It touches the bottom.
Ah.
I think I will trim a bit off of this. and then it won't.
Touch the bottom.
Look at that. After searching, we found the one wall stud that was in the area and screwed the vanity into it. Found another on the right wall and did the same, but in 2 areas this time. This thing isn't going anywhere. Again, this is our first time, and I'm pretty sure we used way too much silicone to fix the sink top. After finalizing the connections and putting the drawers back in, this vanity build is finally complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the series, please consider leaving us a like and subscribing. Also, leave us a comment below what you thought. It would mean a lot. See you next time.